How to delete Aternos server. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your browser, search Aternos server, and then you will get Aternos official website on the first link. Simply click on it. Now you will land on the section where you need to make sure that you log in or sign in to your account. You can simply click on play button at bottom right and then you will land on this section. Now on this page you will be required to create a server. So let's first create a server, then go proceed towards deleting. After that you simply need to click on profile icon and next press the pencil icon at the bottom right corner. You will see the bin icon. Click on it. A confirmation message will appear. If you are sure, press yes to delete your server, and after that your server will be deleted. That's it. That is how we delete Atternos server. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.